Unlock your global earnings for today. Discover the ultimate guide to effortlessly create and set up your Payoneer account and start receiving payments from around the world. So hey guys, and welcome in another video where I will show you how you can start creating and setting up a Payoneer account. First of all I have to do is open your web browser and dive into payoneer.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Payoneer? Payoneer is a financial services company that provides online money transfer and digital payment services. It allows businesses and professionals to send and receive funds globally, making it easier to conduct international transactions. Users can open a Payoneer account to manage payments, withdraw funds to their local bank accounts, and access a prepaid MasterCard for online and in-store purchases. It's widely used by freelancers, online sellers, and business for cross-border payments. So here we have the payment solution for marketplaces. Your marketplace depends on your seller's success. With Payoneer, you can deliver the best possible payment experience at a global scale, wherever your sellers are. So you have just to click here if you want to discover the product, and if you scroll down, we have a research partner for global mass payouts expand into new markets, reduce your costs, safe and secure. Then we have here the Payoneer experience. It's speedy, it's simple, it's based on trust, also a smooth experience for your sellers. So you have just to take the next steps. There are two ways to find out more about Payoneer mass payouts and how easy we make it to pay multiple pays at once. So let's come back to the top. I will show you how you can get started. So first of all you have to do is click over sign in. Once you click over sign in, you will find one page about log in. So you have just to write your email address and your password, but if you already have an account. But if you don't have an account, you have just to scroll down and you will find sign in app. You click over it and you will find this page. So here we have choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs. Please select the option that describes you the best. I am a freelancer or SMB, online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental, host, or individual. Once you click over individual, for example, you'll find this page. The right account for you is freelancer, agency, or service provider. Getting paid by clients or via marketplaces, you click over register. If you rate these things, get paid by living marketplaces, including Upwork, Fiverr, Getty Images, and more. So we have also here get paid by your global clients, withdraw your earnings to your local bank account at low rates. Then we have withdraw funds at ATMs and also pay your suppliers and subcontractors for free. Once you click over register, you will find here Spain or sign up. The first step we have getting started is your business registered with any government, business licensing or tax authority. So we have the first one, no, my business isn't registered. The second one, yes, I own or represent a registered business. So you have to just write your first name, your last name, your email address. Also, you confirm your email address and you write your date of birth. Here we have, for example, like that. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find other page which is contact details about Payoneer signing up. You have just to choose. Here we have please fill in the files in English characters only, providing a complete and accurate address speeds up your account approval. You choose your country, street and number, then you have mobile number and verification code also, and you click over next. Then you have another page which is Payoneer sign up also, but we have a security details. You please fill in the files in English characters only. You write your username, your password, you confirm your password. Also we have security question here, like we have what is the last name of your first boyfriend or girlfriend, what is the name of the hospital you were born in, what was the last name of your first boss, How old was your father when you were born? At with what age did you first visit a foreign country? What town was your mother born in? Which company did you hold your first job? So you choose one and then you answer, but it's a security answer. Then you have ID details like you choose your country. Or here are various countries, you choose your country. Then you have ID type, have driver license, passport. You can choose the one you want. Then you have ID number. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find the other page, which is congratulations. The parent account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. So then we have here the home page. So once you have signed up for Payoneer, the first step is to verify your account by providing the necessary identification and business information. After verification, link your local bank account to facilitate easy withdrawals. You can then receive payments from clients or marketplaces by sharing your Payoneer receiving accounts, which support multiple currencies. To enhance your experience, consider ordering a Payoneer prepaid MasterCard for convenient access to your funds. Finally, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with features like payment requests and transaction history. So in the home page you have your home, withdraw and transfer. We have here convert currencies. Transfer money between your currency balances to make payments in the currency you need. Then we have your from and to select the balance here. Then we have amount to transfer and amount to receive. When you have it to manage currency, you need to be receiving funds to your Payoneer account. If you want to learn more, you click over here. Then we have here account activity. About this one, we have to choose if you want transactions, payment requests, sends, or monthly statement transaction reports. Then you have bank account also, your account here. You can add another account. Then we have business networking, like companies you work with, business applications, and connect apps. So getting started with Payoneer opens up a world of opportunities for seamless global transactions. By following the steps and leveraging its features, you can efficiently manage your payments and enhance your business operation. Embrace the flexibility and convenience Payoneer offers and unlock your potential in the global marketplace. So this is how it works with Payoneer. You can just get started by following the steps and you will find your homepage and your account. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful and see you again in the next video. And don't forget like, comment. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. So see you again in the next video.